Hello dear customers. IDskin is a professional brand of DAQIN, focusing on providing solution for making mobile phone screen protector, full body anti-explosion protection film and custom mobile phone skin. IDskin app is installed on Android mobile phone, used for controlling IDskin cutting machine. Multiple languages optional. Abundant mobile phone templates available. Keep on updating for free. Templates include screen protector, backskin with side, watch, headset, etc. With IDskin cutting machine, you can cut mobile phone screen protector, 360-degree full body protection film and mobile phone backskin only after receive an order. No need inventory. Also the machine size is small, it takes up small space. IDskin D318 is controlled by IDskin Cut app. Select brand and model, and then start cutting process. Easy operation. Fast cutting. Free updating. IDskin D319 is an all-in-one machine. Built-in touch screen with software. Easy operation. Fast cutting. Free updating. DAQIN provide multiple film material, such as TPU film, hydrogel film, anti-explosion film, or aura film, etc. Also there are multiple kinds of textured films available for making custom mobile phone backskin. They are with different textures and colors. DAQIN provide OEM service. You can customize the cutter, app, packing box, film material, etc. For the details of OEM please contact with DAQIN Company.